Here's how to change the turn signal bulbs on your Chevy truck if you have one with this grill style. This one's a 95. This is quite easy. There are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 that need to come out. Phillips screw heads. And with the screws out, it'll just come forward and there's enough slack in it to get at the bulbs. So the mechanism is designed, has a little legend here, I don't know if you can read it, but the idea is you push this in and then you turn it counterclockwise to pop the bulb out. On this one, you push it in and it doesn't release from the little clip, so you might have to stick a screwdriver in there to help it, motivate it, or push it with your finger like that, and then get it to go. So it's 25 years old. Then from there, it's pretty much standard light bulb removal, whereby you just push it down and twist it, and then it'll come out. Ooh, that is filthy. And then you get your new bulb. Make sure you align the pins properly. Sometimes the one pin is up high and the other pin's down low, so you just make sure you get them in the right slots. Push it and then twist it back in. It goes back in its hole with the gray thing close to its little post. So it's in its hole, and then you just twist it till it clicks like that, and you're good. Then you put it back in. Then you tighten all 4 screws. Now you don't want to go too tight because this backing is plastic and you're also screwing it into plastic. So it's a metal screw going into plastic and you don't want to crack this or rip the threads out of the metal screw. And you're done.